Hi there, my name's Adrian and welcome to the Tool Shed with JCB Tools. I thought this was a wonderful idea. So what you got here is a little USB adapter that also has a built-in torch. So you've already bought your batteries, the ones that come with your power tools, all that sort of thing. The standard range of JCB with the E-Tech batteries. You've got the charger, you've got the battery. This unit just adds that bit of versatility. So what is it? It's a USB adapter with a little torch. Lightweight, affordable. Let's open the box and I'll show you its functions. So the unit, very small, very simple, as you can see, super lightweight, but gives you that adaptability. With your E-Tech batteries, you can have USB outlets and also a little torch. Slips on the batteries you already own. Oh, little work light. And again, red light is on the top, and we've now got 2 amp, 2 of them, USB outlets. Okay, so as I stated, this battery is a 5 amp. It's probably a bit overkill for this little unit. If I push the button, take it off. If I get one of my power drills here, I've got a 2 amp hour battery here. Probably more appropriate. And as you can see, you've already got the batteries. There we are, perfectly safe. Now what is good is we've got a belt clip for this, so you can have USB power on the move as well. So I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit jcbtools.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thanks for watching.